See here, TestNG framework. It will share you. Okay, previously this is what is TestNG. Okay, TestNG is a test new and next generation. Okay, it is a Java-based unit testing tool. There are 6 types of advantages. Okay, 6 advantages in TestNG. So what are the advantages? Group of test cases, grouping of test cases, next prioritize and parameterization, parallel testing, reporting. Okay, and manage test cases and test groups. So grouping of test cases, we are going to execute the test cases. Okay, either sanity, regression. Okay, and the so okay, we can execute the are combined or both are singly or single. We can execute the test cases. So that is the group of test cases. Next priority, we can give the priority. Like means which test cases are executed. Okay, first that is the prioritize, and after that parameterization. This is what is this test the application with different types of data or parameters. Okay, test the application with different types of data and parameters. It is a data-driven concept which comes under the parameterization, and after that parallel testing. So parallel testing is at a time we can execute one test case in different types of browsers. Okay, Chrome browser, Firefox browser, and okay, Edge, next Edge. Okay, Edge you can run at a time 3 different browsers. Okay, that is parallel testing, and reports meant is a default and extend reports. So default reports are there is no coding required for default reports. For extend reports, some configurations are required. Okay. And next one is what? Manage the test case and test suits with the help of TestNG file. Okay. With the help of TestNG file, we can manage the test cases and test cases suits. Okay. So previously you can see this installation. Okay. See these 11 points are main. What are the 11 points? So first one is what? At the rate of test is the one of the annotation which is available in testing. So if you don't write at the rate of test, okay, cannot process any, okay, you cannot process any program. So that's why you can write mandatorily at the rate of test. Okay, no main method in TestNG. See here on the last previous example. See this TestNG. There is no main method in this program. Okay, there is no main method in this program. At the rate of test is mandatory here. That's why we can write. It is the first point, and second point is there is no main method in the program. That is the second point. So what is the third point? Before writing a method, we need to specify annotation at the rate of test. Okay. If at the rate of not mentioned, we can't run our program test. Okay, see here. If you don't write like this at the rate of test, okay, it returns what? You can pass only 2 cases. That is what? Void searching and quit. So login cannot be passed. Why means at the rate of test is not right in the void. That's why only 2 cases will be passed here. Okay, remaining one will be nothing to pass. So next one, TestNG executes what? Test methods in alphabetical order. Okay. So if you don't write this priority, okay, 3 names are tests. Okay, what we can pass this what? Alphabetical order. First we can execute the login, and after we can execute the quit, and after we can execute the searching. Okay. If you gives the priorities, okay, if you give the priorities like this, it executed one by one. Okay, like priority wise. Okay, which one is first and which one is last. We can choose with the priorities. Okay. Next, we can control execution by providing priority. So that's why we can give like this priority. Your priority -1, 0, -2, like this. See here, priority is equal to 1. Based on the priority, only test methods will be executed. If this series, based on this priority, first one is what executed. See here, right click on this. Okay, run as what? Previously, okay. Run as TestNG test. Okay, see this, I can run this. Okay, three is passed here. Test runs 3, failure 0, skip 0. So 3 positive. Why, like what? Priority wise. See this. I can give the priority close. First one will be what? It will be displayed by means. Here we can give -2. -2 give the first priority. And after that, login will be displayed. Login give is the -1 priority. So finally, what searching will be displayed. This is the priority 0. Okay. So priority wise, it will be executed here. And next point, if the default priority method is 0, or if you are not providing priority value is default. If you not write like, if you give write like with searching and with the priorities, and if not, okay, don't write here priority. See the execution, what will happen. Okay. First of all, save the file, and after that, run as what TestNG. Okay. This 3 will be passed. First, what displayed? Close will be displayed. Okay. Why means here -2. And after that, login will be displayed. And then searching will be displayed. Why means it is 0 searching. Okay. So default, if see this one is main. The default priority test method is 0. Okay. Or otherwise, we are not providing any priority to the test method. The default value is 0. So if the priorities are again execute the test methods in alphabetical order. Okay. If you remove this, okay, see this. Okay. I can write like here priority what? I can give priority 3 as same. Control C, Control V. Okay. I can give priority 10. So here also we can give 10. Okay. I can give here also 10. 3 priorities have the same number. Okay. Same number. That's why we can save this and write the file. Run as what? TestNG.test. It will be executed three cases, passes 3 cases. So see this first one execute what login. Why means there is no priority that is. So if you have the priorities are same, okay, it will go for alphabetical order. Okay, that is the count. If the priorities are same, then execute the test methods in the alphabetical order. So negative values also allowed the priorities. Already we can see this. Okay, -2, -1, 0. Okay. Negative values are also allowed the priority. Next last one. Test change execute the methods only if you are having test annotation. Okay. If you don't have this test change execution, okay, it will not be run. Okay. These 2 ways to create TestNG class. First one is what? Right click on the package and create what? New class. So right click on the package, create one new class. See here. So my package name is what? Test. Okay. TestNG. So I can create one new class or not. So my class name is what? TEST. TestN. Okay. Wait. TEST test. To okay. I can say this. Okay. Finish. 2 will be displayed in the TestNG or not. Okay. It will be created. And next. Okay. And next. See here. So second process is what? Right click on the package and select TestNG and create TestNG class and enter class name and finish. See here I can create another class. So first right click on the package. Okay. I can right click on the package. Okay. And go for what? Select TestNG and create TestNG class. Okay. Right click on this, select TestNG and create TestNG class. Okay. Here we can give the class name as new test 1. Okay. And click what? Finish. See this. Okay. Class, enter the class name and finish. Okay. I can give the class name as test 3. See here. Test 3. Okay. Finish. Here like in this. Okay. And first method we can follow test 2. Okay. There is no code here. No code will be automatically generated. In test 3 what? Test 3 code will be automatically generated. Okay. Test 3 code will be automatically generated. Okay. So next, execute in the test cases using testx. Okay, testing XML file. So this test XML file, standard markup language. So there are 2 ways. First, what? Generated automatically. Next, generated manually. Okay, we'll go for generate automatically. Right click on the class.java series. I can remove this, delete. Delete option is there. Okay, I can delete this. Okay, okay, I can delete this. See here, can close this. This is test one. Okay, I can create for test one. This is Java file. Okay, see this. First of all, what class.java testng dot. Okay, testng1.java is my file. So after that, we can create what? Go to TestNG and convert it to TestNG. Okay, see this. Right click on this. Go to TestNG and see here there is option convert to TestNG. I can click this. It will be opened. Okay, so our file name will be displayed here. Class name. Okay, so next, click on the browse and select the package and finish. Okay, so click on the browse. So my package is what? My package name is Selenium Project 4. Okay, I can select this. I can expand this. So in that we can expand src and text and Java. Okay, in that my package name what? TestNG1. Okay, I can select this and click OK. After that, finish this. Okay, TestNG XML file will be displayed here. See this TestNG XML file. This is the TestNG XML file. So see this hierarchy. So first of all, suit, then text one. See this. This is the hierarchy. Okay, and after that, text. Okay, text. See this. Text contains what? Methods. See here, this is the hierarchy. First suit, and in that suit, test will be appear. In that test, class, and in that class, methods. Okay, this is the methods. See this testng one is my package name. Okay, testng one is my package name. Testng n1. Okay, g1 is what? This is my class name. Okay, see this. Okay, if you open the testng file, if you double click on this, okay, or open this. See, this is the structure of testng. Okay, so if you create manually, okay, if you create manually, so what is the processing? I can close this, save. See here, I can create manually. What is the process? And see this, open XML file, right click and run as the testng suite. See this, I can run my testng file. Okay, open my file. Here, right click on this. Okay, after right click and run as what? TestNG suite. So run this. Okay, so 3 will be passed here. This is the login, close and searching. Okay, it will be output will be displayed in the console. Okay, so next I can create manually. So create manually means, so right click on the package and create new file. Okay, and see here I can close this. So what is my package? TestNG is my package. Right click on this new. Here file will be displayed or not. Okay, I can click on file. Okay, I can click on file. After that, from this Windows selection, package the name. Okay, select the package and enter the file name with XML. See this. This package will be displayed here. So my package is selected or not. Okay, so my file name is what? I can give like harm. harm.xml. I can give like this. Here file name and please enter the file name with XML. After click on finish. Okay, see this. I can click on finish. Okay, harm XL will be displayed, but in that harm.xml there is no data. Okay, it will be showing in empty. Okay, it will be showing empty. You can write here. Okay, what we can write testng.files we can write there. Okay, see this. I can copy this one. If you write like this in where harm.xml. Okay, just file name will be changed. Here what harm HARM. Okay, and save. See this. In first one, here name will be test, all are same. This is the package name. Okay, package name dot, this is class name. Okay, so now I can close these two. Close one. Close TestNG.tl. Okay, so here we can discuss next topic. Okay, TestNG reports. First what? After running XML file, one folder test output will be created. See this. I can run the TestNG XML file. Test output will be displayed or not. See this. This is the test output. Okay. TestNG file already on reported file is created. Test.out. Expand this. So expand this. I can click on it. See here. Here index.html and emailable report will be displayed. Okay. Index.html and emailable report. First I will open the emailable report. See here. I can click on this. Okay. See this emailable report. So how to open this? I can close this. I can open, check this. Right click on the emailable report.html. Okay. And in that, open with, right click and open with what? System editor. Okay. I can choose one browser, Microsoft browser. Just one. See this opened or not? If you click on the test, okay. So 3 will be TestNG. This is the file name. Login quit. Okay. And after that, if you open what? Okay. See here index.html. I can again open this also. Right click on this and open with what? System editor. See here. This is my code. Okay. I can write in the my XML file. I can write like this. Okay. Suit text classes. In that class, this is the class name. Okay, this will be displayed. In that one test case is there. And the groups, there is 0 groups times. Okay, this is the milliseconds. Okay, test NG file login 19 milliseconds and quit 6 milliseconds and searching 3 milliseconds and reporter also. Okay, report output and ignored methods. Okay, chronological view. So this already displayed. This is what email reporting HTML and this is test NG index HTML. Okay, these two are no separate code for generating these files. Okay, there is no separate code for generating these files. We will get the expo reports only run over the test cases through XML file. Okay, see here testing. This is important. We will, okay, how we'll get the email report HTML. See this. How we will get the above reports only run our test cases through XML file. Okay. Note XML file is also called as what? Test suite. So XML file is also called as test suite, and the test suite means test case, a group of test cases. So in manual testing, XML file is also called as test suite. So test suite means group of test cases. Group of test cases contains test steps. Okay, similarly, XML file means test suite. Okay, XML file means test suite. So in that set, test suite contains what? Classes. And the classes contains test methods. See this. See here. Wait. See this XML file. Okay. Suite contains test contains classes contains what? Methods. Okay, this is the hierarchy. See here. Same XML file contains one test suite and test suite contains what? Text. Okay, in that test contains what? Classes and the classes contains test methods. Yeah, what is the advantages? You can run a singular multiple test cases using XML file. Okay, we can run singular multiple test cases using XML file. And the second one, what? TestNG generates reports. Okay, here TestNG generates reports, default reports. Okay, no separate code. Okay, in real time we can generate what? Extend reports. Okay, this practice purpose only we can use default report. See here. Here, if you want to convert single class series. So if you want to convert a single class, okay, if you want to convert single class, you can click on that class and convert only, okay, convert that class only. If you want to convert all the classes, okay, if you want to convert all the classes and right click on that package and convert all classes comes under what? Single TestNG file. So it will come, okay, it will execute or not. Now you can check here. I can choose, okay, this one. Oh, this is also contains so many packages. Okay, I can write like this. Okay, I can right click on this. Okay, right click on this package and go to TestNG. Okay, I can convert to TestNG. So see here. Okay, and the browser name. See here, our project is what? Organized Selenium 4. Okay, expand this and the SRC. Okay, SRC. After that SRC, we can select what text. In that text, go for okay Java. Okay, see this. I can there is three packages are there. I can choose organize. Okay, organize. Click OK. Okay, finish. Okay, see that organize file. Okay, compare. See this. HTML file. Okay, here there is no. I can close this. Yeah, I can close this organization also. Delete. Okay. See, organization Selenium. Okay. So wait, I can write this. Go for a TestNG and convert to TestNG. After that convert, we can browse. Okay. Browse here what? Project 4. And in that project 4, okay, I can select project 4. So in that, you can write main. In that main, Java. I can select this. Okay, Java. SRC. I will go for test and test for Java. And in that Java, org always. Selenium practice 3. Okay, Purnam. I can select this and click OK and finish. See here. Okay, XML file will be displayed. Okay, this is also contains wrong. No, I can remove this also. Close one. Delete. I can delete this. Okay, so I can apply for July. Okay, see this July. Right click on the package and TestNG. Convert to TestNG. Wait. See here, the test will be displayed. Actually, testng.xml files will browse, select my project and expand src, text, Java, and I can select July. Okay, okay, July, and finish. Okay, just refresh it. Refresh. After refreshing, open this. One testing.mar file will be displayed. Okay, it is also shows wrong. I can delete this also. Okay. Okay, now I can apply on only, I can apply on TestNG. Please wait, I can remove all this harm. Okay, TestNG and the harm, I can remove this. Okay, I can remove the TestNG, delete. Okay, I can remove harm, delete. Okay, so now I will go for group of classes like TestNG Okay, and we convert to TestNG. See here. In the TestNG1, TestNG2, so many files are displayed, but there is no test there. A group of classes will be displayed. Wait, I can copy some code. See this test2.java. This is will be empty. Okay, I can copy some code here. So what is the code? So in that previous text to okay, I can copy this code and paste there. Okay. Mhm. I can copy this code, paste into test2.java. Control V. Okay, I can remove this line. One extra also. Okay. So save this. And next in test3, see this in test3, I can erase this also. Can remove this annotations. Okay, and the import file also I can remove. In that I can paste this code. Control C, test3.java. Okay, I can save this file also. Okay, now I can close this. I can close test1 here also. Okay, now test3 what it shows error. Open public class. Okay, actually two files will be there. Okay, save this. One or two. Actually here three will be displayed. Okay, I can arrange this. Now save. Okay, I can close this. I can maximize this. So right click on this, open with what TestNG and convert. Okay, in that actually class names test1g only displayed. Wait. We can see in the program. So you can select multiple files. TestNG this program and run as TestNG. Convert to TestNG. Okay, browse. I can select my project and in that SRC, test will be there, and in that test we can select what TestNG. Okay, I click open, finished. Okay. See this. Actually, here three classes will be displayed. Control C, Control V, Control V. What are the class names? Test2, Test3. Okay, I can write like this. Test2 and Test3. This is the pattern. Okay, in that package, how many classes you are created, that classes are displayed in the, like this class name. Okay, then close this. Now see this here, the project next one is testing annotations. So testing annotation, in the software testing annotations are common center provide. So how to run the test, and they can be used to control the flow of test or not, organize the methods, information test. Okay, so what is the process here? So first comes under before suit to, okay, before suit to after suit, okay, and the before suit to before test, before set test to before class to before method, and before method to text. This is the order. This is the testing annotation order. So it is the reverse order. So in the test we can say what logics. Okay. In the test, we can save logics. What logic? At the rate of test annotation, writing logics. We will discuss in the next topic. So thank you.